where the wrestling truth resides.
What? So much bullshit. Oh, fucking Channing's gonna win. God damn it.
Sydney, Bacabella, Papa Bear, and that soup is too hot, Troy.
Dezmond
Channing's gonna win. God damn it.
But Papa Bear.
The alternative, Anthony Green.
And Anthony Green, I believe he owes one to Big Boofa.
Take it back to the Vacation Land Cup in Lewiston. Anthony Green was set to capture
Anthony's gonna
the
go heel.
Limitless
Watch.
Wrestling World Championship yet again. Sydney in a bad way. Bad part of town.
One piece left to take care of, Johnny Torres.
The alternative Bufas. No! Damn, what? No! Anthony Green!
Johnny!
I called it. I'm so sad now.
This is the man that said he leaves a place better! A pile driver on that injured neck! Into the waiting line! Not another! You can't take it, no! Johnny, that man is supposed to leave wrestling better! This is not it, Gina's back!
Is this better, AG?
Dude,
Is this the better?
Dude, you gotta be getting out this way, Rich! Don't do it!
You son of a bitch! Don't you do it! Don't you say it! Don't you do it, Rich! So help me God! Don't you do it! Don't you say it! I swear to God!
Good way to go heel right there, Anthony.
The time of the fall, 20.
And fans are pissed. Look at that. Fans are pissed.
Circumstances! Green.
Anthony Green!
Wow. I'm so sad right now. I called it too. As soon as I'm like, Anthony's going heel. Anthony's going heel. God damn it. God damn it. Fuck. I'm sad now. I'm really sad now. It's bullshit. I knew it as soon as they did so many fucking run-ins and shit. I'm like, yep. Dezmond's not going over. Fucking Channing is keeping him strong with all the bullshit, but still, it's fucking. I'm sad now. I'm really sad.